Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse Through YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve 18. So let's begin the video. So what you have to do is just to import your video, and then here, and now right click on your video 1. For me, right click and then select Add Subtitle Track. Now, simply when you have selected subtitle 1, not a video, but subtitle 1, here you have caption and track. Caption, you can create captions. I created just one right now. From here, I can change the duration, and from here I can add a new track. I can add a new caption, and from here, from here you can customize this caption. Increase font, face, stroke. We have transform. We also can select this in here, or we can use it from here. Position, zoom, and we can also draw some shadow and also background. And okay. Alright, so if you want to add a new caption, just click on add new, and now you have another caption. Here. Okay, change. We have 2 right now. And here. Okay. So that's pretty much how you add subtitles in Davinci Resolve 18. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.